Hey everyone, Bob Struble back in the bays to bring you Race the CEO version 2. Last year, I showed you how easy it was to install a Viper DS4 remote start and security system. I challenged you to beat my time, and you took me on at various trade shows and kicked my butt. So I've been practicing up, and we're back again this year to give it another go. Once again, I'll be installing this revolutionary, industry-leading Viper DS4 remote start and security system. I'll be doing it in this beautiful Jeep Wrangler behind me. We're going to shake it up this year though. We're taking it a step further. And I'll also be going through and installing the directed SmartStart Pro. This is our latest and greatest connected car product. It is the fastest response time in the industry, so we're going to show you how fast it is to install. It'll be fast because I'm going to use this directed THCH N2T harness. It's customized for the Jeep, and it makes the install so easy that a CEO can do it. Think you have what it takes to beat me? Let's do it. Start that clock. I'm headed over here to our PC, and we're going to flash and configure the DS4 on the PC. We could be doing this as well in the bay with Bluetooth, but because we got a lot of RF running around, we're going to make sure it works and do it on the machine. Jeep Wrangler. The flash page comes right up. I'm configuring a DS4 Plus, and we'll flash that module now. I'm going to be using my cheaters, by the way. No, you don't need them, but I do. Let's found the module. We'll set this up for remote start and security. Automatic transmission Jeep. We're going to put in SmartStart, and we'll add a Viper remote. How about the V116 VLU? Not changing any of the features. You could of course do this if you needed to, but we're going quick. Let's flash that module. Going through module flashing, as I mentioned, we could be doing this in the bay over the phone or over an iPad with Bluetooth connectivity. Has the advantage of only needing to do it once. If I need to change configuration, if I need to update, I can do it while the device is still installed and don't have to go through it again. The longest part of this is the flash, obviously. We're getting there and getting there quickly. I hope you're where I am now, because if you're not going to catch me. We're just going to go pretty quick from here. 85, 90. Running the firmware. Resetting the power. You can tell the light's red. So now again, resetting, detecting the module. And we can go. Over to the Jeep. I'm going to pull out the connector. And on this T-harness, male goes into female. Female goes to male. I'm going to connect it to the device. The beautiful DS4. We're going to install at this point the SmartStart module so we can get that done quickly. I'm getting flashing yellow, which I'm supposed to. Go key in and on. Flashing green. Turn it off. Hit lock. And 3 locks should give me a start. All right, stop the clock, part 1. I'm going to hit the brake, and we're going to go over here and configure our SmartStart. So I'm going back to DirectX, going to Resources, doing a SmartStart activation, installing SmartStart, launch the install portal. I've got the Air ID down here, KN XR-I2P LF. Make sure the orange LED is solid. It is. And head down to next. Confirm. and we are going to test a SmartStart command. Man, that was quick. Stop the clock. That's a start. And there you go. I just installed and programmed a Viper DS4 remote start system, took it all the way to a SmartStart Pro connected car system, and did it all with a customized directed T harness. I got the DS4 done in 2 minutes and 52 seconds and took it all the way to SmartStart in 4 minutes and 11 seconds. Not too shabby. I was able to do that because the Viper DS4 systems are so simple that even me, as CEO, can do it. Good luck in beating that. I'm going to be heading out in the California sun, and see you next time around.